Unbelievable. Whew. I am winded. But that's where I was. Let's see if you can see those people down there. I saw it, bro. That's ridiculous. Oh, they're gone. This is where I walked from, down in that valley. I started over there, walked all the way through that canyon, and started to progress the mountain. They have stairs. I am out of breath. And then this is where I am, on the other side of the valley. You can't even see the valley because I'm on the other side of the mountain. So mountain on one side, valley in the middle, mountain on the other side. So that one song says, for every mountain you've brought me over, for every trial you sing me through, for every blessing, hallelujah, and for this I give you praise.